Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue Google TV remote not responding. See, when I press on these buttons, TV is not responding. See, I will show you how we can fix this issue. Here you can see a reset button on this device. We need to press and hold this reset button until we see searching for accessories. Let me press and hold this reset button. Press and hold. Now you can see searching for accessories. At this point we can release the button. Then take remote. We need to put this remote into pairing mode. That is very simple. We need to press and hold this back button and home button together. Let me press and hold these two buttons together until we see LED light here. See, now this LED light is flashing. Now we can release the buttons. Then please wait. Now on the right side you can see Google TV remote. We can select that using this reset button. Let me select Google TV remote, the first one. Then press and hold this reset button again. That way we can confirm the selection. Done. See, now it's pairing. Please wait. Okay, done. Paired. Done. So now let me test the remote, see it's working. See, this way we can fix that issue. So please try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.